morning everyone. Today I am going to present a prototype. My students are going to present a prototype regarding the Netflix movie recommendation systems. And my students are Pujita, Balasundara and Sananta Varma. They are going to present this prototype Netflix movie recommendation systems. You can begin.
So our project is Netflix movie recommendation system using Python. In this we use Python. This presentation explores a Python-based system for recommending Netflix movies to users based on their preferences. We have the introduction as data source, data structure, data cleaning and pre-processing. In data source, we have the system leverages a vast data set of movie information, including titles, trailers, ratings, languages, and everything. Next, abstract. So in the abstract, we have the user. In Netflix, we have different types of movies. Further, we have the developed front end and the back end. And in the front end, we have used the HTML and CSS, and in the back end, we have used JavaScript and some kind of layer for these suggestions, movie recommendation systems. Existing techniques. So basically, what we have in the existing system, data gathering. In this, we have used the machine learning models. First, we need to acquire the relevant data sets. Then, the data gathered from multiple and disparate sources will be also useful in this. Next, we have the data preparation. In the data preparation, the process of cleaning and transferring raw data is also very important. Next, we have the proposed technique. In this proposed technique, we have data reduction. In the data reduction, we have to delete too many reviews. If we get take out the movie reviews too many or the negativity, we can easily take out the movies. And the recommendation algorithm. As we have already said, by using machine learning, we have taken some random for algorithms and different types of algorithms. So my teammate will continue this.
Yeah, thank you, Pujita. Taking on the project, we have the languages used in the project, which is Python and Scikit-learn. And as we all know, Python is a versatile programming language which can be used very vast in number. And also we use a machine learning, as already my friend said, we use a machine learning algorithms in this to create this project. In Scikit-learn, we have different libraries and algorithms used in it. So yeah, coming to the minimum system requirements, we have access to the Netflix data. We do it, we have large APIs in it and the data exports. And the hardware and software requirements are processor, we use 12-core Duo and RAM, which is 2 GB RAM, hard disk 250 GB, and software requirements coming to the front end, we use Python and operating system used will be Windows 7 and IDE is Pilot 3. Types of models in the recommendation system is we have collaborative filtering, content-based filtering, and hybrid approaches. Collaborative filtering comes with the user income interactions, and content-based filtering comes with the user characteristics, genre, actions, and director to make recommendations. Hybrid, which combines both the collaborative filtering and the content-based filtering. Development and real-world application. That is how it is reached to the end user, like how we all access the Netflix. Development platform used is cloud-based, such as AWS and Google Cloud. Integration with Netflix API, we integrated with the Netflix API to access the user data. So real-time recommendations will be the movie recommendations based on the user activity and the preferences.
The feature references. Let me explain about the future references. It contains personal recommended content-based filtering and hybrid approaches. Basically, the personal recommendation according to your past history, it will show the what are your feature and future recommendations, and then content-based filtering. According to the content which the user will access, it will show the recommended according to the subjects or genres, actors or some other relevant. By combining both, we can approach it. By combining both, we can use the hybrid approaches, like whatever movies you are going to watch, what movies you are going to like in the future analysis to watch it. These are the basic codes we use. We imported the number basic libraries are NumPy and pandas, we import Flask by Flask, the render templates, request, and then we use JSON, VS4, pickle, requesters, and data bank import data. We basically pickle data. We pick the data from Kaggle dataset to examine the code and to view these projects. These are the basic structure of our of the project. This is the basic prototype of the project, which contains the movie schema. Any genre you can have happy, sad, any relevant movie types which you are going to have. After rendering, it will give the movie according to the user search emotions. Conclusion. Basically, it is a Python-based development. Python-based system which recommends movies according to the users, their emotions or their search in the feedback which is given to the input product. That's it. Thank you.